Good afternoon, everybody. There's another comment from our friend in YouTube, and his name is Jao Perseverancia. And he commented, "Hi, Miss Nelca. Is it possible to show the false color rendering of street lighting in Dialux Evo 9? I don't seem to be able to show it in mine." Okay. Right. Good question, Mr. Jao. So I open now my Dialux Evo street lighting or road lighting. And you can see here, if I press the optimize or calculate, then it will show you the report. And it seems that I achieved the lux value for the road. But here, if you click in the display option, there is no option for you to show the false color. Yes, nothing is there. Compare if you go to the Dialux regular. So here, the Dialux regular, this is the one I used previous tutorial for road lighting. If you click this false color display, it will show you the false color rendering, and you can even add it into your report like here. But here in Dialux Evo, unfortunately, you cannot do it. So Mr. Jao, sorry, that is one of the best option that Dialux Evo removed. So they don't have this false color rendering in Dialux Evo road lighting. Yep, so sorry for that. Okay, so Jao, nothing is there, so don't look for it. It's not available. Okay. All right, so again, just show this ISO lines if you like. If you go to the documentation, you can just show it to them instead of the false color in the 3D view. Maybe they want to see it rather than that false color rendering in 3D view. If you want, you can go and yeah, set the ISO lines. And where is it? Let's go for the roadway, and there you go. So yeah, this is the only thing that you can show to your client. And let's see if you can find something in the configure page. Yeah, nothing is here, and yeah, that's it. So unfortunately, nothing is really there in false color rendering. Okay, so Jao, if you want to learn more, go and visit my Udemy courses. Where's my Udemy? Check my Udemy courses, and I will post another course about road lighting design, and I will teach you more on how to use this software about road lighting using Dialux Evo. And if you want to go further, you can enroll in my Dialux Evo Advanced this coming May 22. I will be conducting a training for Dialux Evo 9.0 Advanced. So go and check in my website under the shop tab, and then 8 days online training Dialux Evo Advanced. Alright, so that's it, and see you again on the next video. Bye!